Chapter 9. More on Scratch. Learning objectives. Adding a new sprite, sensing block, variable block, sound block, create a story. Introduction. Scratch is a block-based programming language which is used to create stories, animations, and games. This chapter makes you familiar with the methods to add new sprite, working with sensing block, variable block, sound block, and creating stories and game in Scratch. Adding a new sprite. Cat is the default sprite in a Scratch program. You can delete the default sprite and add a new sprite. You can add more than one sprite and create separate scripts for them.
Scratch provides various inbuilt sprites from which you can choose and add it on stage.
To add new sprite, follow the steps given below. Click on Add a New Sprite button. Click on Choose a Sprite option. A Choose a Sprite window opens. It displays various types of sprites and categories from which you can choose a sprite of your choice. Click on the sprite and it will be added on stage. Sensing block. Sensing block is used to find the different factors of the project. It contains 18 light blue coded blocks. When you click on this block in Blocks palette, you will have a look to various related blocks. Using Sense block. Remove the default cat sprite. Add two sprites from library. Ballerina from people category. Change the backdrop to theater. Click on Ballerina sprite from sprite list and create the following script for it. Run the script. Fact file. To delete the sprite, select the sprite, click on the close button of the sprite in the sprite list and a sprite will be deleted. Is an events block which runs the code when a green flag is clicked.
In this example, Ballerina is asking a question and when a code runs, an answer box opens in which user needs to type the answer for the question and that will be displayed on screen.
Variable block. Variable block is used to create a variable and list. A variable is a placeholder which holds a value. The value can be in the form of number or text. It holds only one value at a time which can be changed during execution. Using variable block, remove default sprite and add Abby sprite from people category. Click on Make a Variable button to create a new variable. A new variable dialog box opens. Type the name of variable, say roll number. Click on a radio button to specify whether the variable is for all sprites or for this sprite only and press OK button. Create a script as shown in the figure. Run the script.
Set ID to answer block will set the answer as a value of ID and display it in a variable created on top left corner of the screen.
Sound block. A sound block contains 9 purple coded color blocks which are used to add sound in the script. You can add the sound in 3 ways. Choose sound from library, record new sound,
upload sound from library.
Using sound block.
Delete the default cat sprite and add Ruby from people category.
Change the backdrop to spotlight. Create a script as shown in the figure. Run the script. Fact file.
You can also record your own sound and play it in script.
Create a story. Let us create a simple story by using various blocks in Scratch. Add unicorn running, bear walking and Avery sprites from fantasy, animals and people category respectively. Add Jurassic backdrop from indoors category. Create a script for all the sprites as shown below. Run the script. Let us have a look at our story. Quick backup. Scratch is a block-based programming language which is used to create stories, animations and games. Cat is the default sprite in a Scratch program. Scratch provides various inbuilt sprites from which you can choose and add it on stage. Sensing block is used to find the different factors of the project. It contains 18 light blue coded blocks. Variable block is used to create a variable and list. A sound block contains 9 purple color coded blocks which are used to add sound in the script.